Assalamu alaikum grade 4 students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, and the name of our new chapter is climate. In this chapter we will study about the different types of climate. We will study about the regions that faces different climates in our country, and mostly the most important thing we will study in this chapter is about the comparison of weather and climate, that what is the difference between weather and climate. So here we go. We are starting our chapter number 3, climate, page number 19. So on first page, these are the main points that I am going to elaborate you. So the first point is weather. What does weather means? What is the meaning of the weather? So here, weather means the day-to-day condition of heat and cold, humidity, cloudiness, dryness, or rain in any place. For example, today's weather is very humid. Today weather is very cloudy. Today weather is very dry. Today weather is very rainy. Or we can say today is rainy weather. So these are the conditions of weather. These are the types of weather. Now, second point, what does climate means, or what is the meaning of climate? Climate means the weather condition in the region over a long period of time. For example, the climate of northern Pakistan is cold, whereas the climate in most parts of the Punjab is dry, but during the monsoon season it rains a lot. Similarly, the climate of Quetta is very cold and chilly. The climate of Sibbi is dry and hot. The climate of KPK is warm summer, cold winter. The climate of Karachi is hot summer, melt winter. These are all the types of climate that a region can have. So after that, our next point is climate vary according to equator as well. The climate of a place can be very hot as on the equator, very cold as near the poles, or temperate. Temperate means not too hot or too cold. The climate can also be very dry or wet, which shows that rainfall is an important factor to decide the climate of the region. For example, if a region has a lot of rainfall, the climate of that region will be cold and will be suitable for farming and vegetation. Similarly, the climate has a great effect on people's lives, plants, crops. As I described earlier about the rainfall, that if a region has a lot of rainfall, there will be suitable farming over there. The land will be fertile as well, and the land in an area is very affected by climate. So in Pakistan, some areas in Sindh and Balochistan are hot throughout the year, but some places such as those high up in the Himalayas are very cold. Means the climate of Himalaya is very cold, and the places which is like Himalayas and the mountain peaks are very cold. So they have very cold environment over there. So this is all about our unit number 3, page number 19. And on the slide you can see a diagram. This is the diagram of equator. The red line on the globe shows the equator of the earth. Means the earth is divided into two parts, okay, and the red line shows the line of equator on the globe. So till my next video, if you have any sort of question, you want to ask anything, you can ask me on Google Classroom in the comment section and I will give you reply over there. Thank you very much.